urgent weather message for the following county: Trumbull, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hubbard, or near Youngstown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Maplewood Park around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hubbard around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sharon around 6:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Churchill, Yankee Lake, Brookfield Center, West Hill, and Girard.